I think that it's time for top tips. All right, so every Networx we have a final segment, and it's about top tips. And we ask each of our panelists to give us what they would tell somebody who is, ready and raring to implement artificial intelligence or machine learning in their businesses. Guys, I'm going to start with Robbie. Robbie, what's your top tip for a business that's ready to implement artificial intelligence or machine learning or start to play in this area?
My top tip would be to know exactly why you're getting into artificial intelligence in the first place. You need to start with a goal, because if you say, oh, we're going to do it to get efficiencies, you open up the efficiencies in an extraordinarily broad term, and then you get scope creep. So if it's, I want to get efficiencies in media, what specific figure do you want to have, and then bring it back to that. Start with what you want to achieve, and then you can move backwards from there.
Well, stand on the shoulders of giants. Like natural language is incredibly difficult. You need a PhD to really understand how it works, but use Dialogflow from Google, or ChatFuel, or one of those technologies that wrap NLP in a much more usable kind of interface, and start experimenting. Try to build something. Try to improve some part of user experience within your business, or use it internally. Before you risk exposure of your customers to AI, maybe pick some task within the organization where you can afford to make an occasional mistake. Those problems before it gets better. Well, test internally. Plenty of companies started AI journey with internal tools.
Chris, to wrap it up.
Good data in, good data out. So look at how you're collecting data on your customers, and so whether that might be through email, through web, and other various forms, and just make sure that that's accurate and being stored in a way that you can then start to leverage tools like AI and ML.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming. Please give it up for our panel.